a beautiful Saturday morning. Just so excited to bring you these fabrics. I'm just back from New York. And, you know, I always say to you, fabrics are always changing and we always want the best and the greatest and the latest. And I'm just can't wait to bring you these. So let me start talking. This is Loro Piana. Loro Piana has their own mill in Italy, and they're among the finest in the world as far as fabrics go. They do sell those fabrics to other vendors, obviously, but this is Loro Piana, and I want to bring it to you so that you can see it. First off, it's called a stretch storm system. Stretch storm system. So what they've done is they've developed a fabric that has this is 100% merino wool. Now, merino wool is among the finest wools, similar to cashmere. You can search for it. You can see that it is among the finest. This is a stretch wool. It has a membrane on the back side, so you're going to see that's the waterproofing. But what they've done is they've left holes in it to where it's breathable and yet still waterproof. Now, that technology I don't understand, but I've got the ticket on it. It's in your today's email. I'm going to send out an email following this. So this jacket, and I took some pictures of both Loro Piana, what they did with it, and Zegna. And the cool thing is they did that brand new Josie's jacket, that safari jacket, $724. So tomorrow's the last day to pre-order that. You can get your fabric. Or they did like a $920, which is another pattern we have if you look that up. But these are just so amazing. These garments are retailing for between $3,000 to $4,000. And we have the fabric. Oh my goodness. So the fabric is 50 inches wide. I'm going to show you the different colors. I want to show you it close up so that you can kind of see it. But it is a wool. And you can see what it has is it's... now also this wool is RTW, which means it's met all the standards of recycling. That means everything in the process, the animals, the shearing, everything in the process was done up to standards of this RTW system. That is the membrane that is beside. You can actually use either side. It doesn't make a difference. But so the whole goal is to be breathable and waterproof and lightweight all at the same time. And as you know, Loro Piana, the best fabrics in the world. This is their fabric. Oh, okay. So we have this red. I'm going to call it, it's not a wine, it's just a deep red. Then we have the black. Now again, these quantities are limited. Today and tomorrow we're going to do this pre-sale. Saturday, Sunday. Sunday's being Mother's Day. We're going to do this pre-sale and then we're done. So we'll get the fabric in. We'll ship it late next week or the following week. Well, probably the following week once we get it in. And so I want to show you those colors. The black. This is a green, which is beautiful. All these colors are just incredible. And again, there's the membrane on the back side. They are, you know, they give a nice stretch. I'm hoping you can see this. I'm filming by myself. And then this beautiful blue. Okay, so I'm going to leave those colors there. I'm going to go back and make sure you can see them because it looks like it's gone a little bit fuzzy there. Okay. Anyway, we're taking really close, crisp pictures too, so look on the website also. The drape is incredible, but it's very, very light, but it's got great drape. The other fabric that I want you to see, this is a Loro Piana. This is 100% cotton knit, black ribbed cotton knit. It is, obviously Italy. Anyway, it has, again, very limited quantities in that. I am going to take pre-orders on that. That's only $39.99. That's just a giveaway. But it is really stunning and really beautiful. And again, I'm going to let that camera see if it can't focus itself. I apologize for the out of focus. I'm just trying to get as close up as I possibly can on these fabrics. I'll take some very detailed pictures so you can see. So check the site because the pictures will be up also. But I'm just so excited. It's a stretch storm system. And there's all kinds of details on the email that I'm sending out today. I'm including that picture. So, oh, I'm so excited. So let's see the colors, the red, the black, the green, the blue. And the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns. All right. Thanks. Bye.